Hi, and welcome to the Introduction to Render Tree in XSI tutorial by i3 Tutorials. I'm i3D Jack, and I'm going to take you through the entire process of learning how to use the render tree from a beginner's point of view. And by the time we're done with this tutorial, you'll understand how to use the render tree to connect shaders, set everything up so that you got everything rendering nice and crisp, and have yourself some realistic as well as some cartoony surfaces to pretty much complete any type of project you have in mind. Okay, so before we begin with anything, first thing we want to do is set up the project that comes with this tutorial. So how do we do that? Well, up here we can see that XSI says project, XSI samples, and the scene right now is untitled because this is a brand new clean scene which hasn't been saved. So how do we set up the i3 projects folder instead of this XSI samples folder? Pretty simple. Let's go to File, go to Project Manager. This opens up the Project Manager window. Now right now we only have one project set up, the XSI Samples project, which comes with the default installation of Softimage XSI. So what we're going to do is click on this Add Project button. Once we do that, a folder browser window opens up asking us to find which directory or which folder we want to set up as the project. So you can use this drop down box up here and navigate on your computer to wherever you have the i3 folder. Now the i3D folder we're looking for is this one right here called i3D Tutorials Intro Render Tree. It comes with the tutorial if you purchase the bundle, so go ahead and look for it wherever you downloaded it to your hard drive. Once you select it, hit the select button and it gets added into the project manager list here. Simply select it from the list, leave it on New Scene, and click on New Scene. Once we do that, you'll notice that the project switched up here. Now it says Project i3 Tutorials Intro Render Tree Scene Untitled. This is a brand new scene, but now we're working with the Render Tree project folder that's provided with this tutorial from i3 Tutorials. So we're ready to get started. Once you do that, we can now move on to the next part of this tutorial and keep working towards learning how to work with shaders in the render tree inside of Softimage XSI. So I'll see you in the next video.